We got all Teddyville, all Snowman, all Let It Snow, Paddleball. We've been eyeing on online. Yeah, because Little Pot of Team Capital, as team captain, I'm gonna do my punt. Yeah. We know the socks? Socks. Oh, how could I forget? Well, actually, I forgot too, Ashley. Because I seen Hevel buying whole polar bear socks. Yeah, we seen Hevel getting whole polar bear socks. What's this cute old thin mouse socks? Yeah, and yeah. Oh yeah, I seen that one too years ago, way back in. Oh, we've been seeing it every year since the year that premiered. Yeah, and yeah, and it's from a note we got from King Treble. I'm a part of Team Capital this year, but I might let down my team. Yep. What am I gonna do? From King Treble. So that's lots. The My Little Pony Equestria Girls special. Well, part of it anyway. Yeah, part of it anyway. When Pinkie Pie, Applejack, Photoside Reality, Starlight Sparkle, and Pinkie Pie, and Sunset Symbol are trying to get keys to the locker, storage locker, but school's closed for winter break. What have they got to do? And what have they got to do? Find out and find out. Okay, there we go. Hey!
It's winter break. I have hot cocoa, and we're about to bring a giant wagon of toys for little kids. This is the best day ever! Is that a marshmallow?
The con crew's having hot chocolate and hot cocoa tomorrow. But we can't get involved because we're evil. And we were on the naughty list for a long time. Yeah, and yeah. But, check out whole stop.
A marshmallow?
Hey, check out the stars. They're like a cutie mark. But it's only missing the pink. Yeah, it's only missing the pink.
Oh, did we just go better?
Mighty kind of you to let us keep all these toys in your storage locker, Sunset. I didn't have the space after Granny Smith converted our barn into a hot yoga studio.
Nice to finally use this darn thing. I've been paying monthly and I never use it.
What is it, a gym membership? Let's just open the locker.
Yeah, good idea, Twilight. You know, the Toys for Kids Festival is going to start soon, so just open the lock with the key. Pinky?
Oh. Hey, what are you doing, Helen? What are you doing, Hill? I'm here to tell you that, I forgot to. Really? Did everybody forget? No comment? Oh my God! Everybody forgot.
I gave the key to Rainbow Dash. I gave it to Fluttershy. And I trusted it to Chad.
Hey, that was familiar. Hey, I was gonna buy the socks. No, I was gonna buy the socks. No, I was gonna buy the socks. And Hubert was gonna do it. And Evanita Weasel was gonna get it. And Yama was gonna get it. And King Trevor was gonna do it. Oh, and we all forgot to do it. And Twilight Sparkle.
I put it in a tronic
Oh, Melody, Ashley, Melody.
bag and I gave it to you.
And back to Sunset Symbol. Sunset Symbol. And Sunset Symbol.
And I left with my locker.
Wait, is he purple? No, that's Starlight Glimmer. Oh yeah, thanks. You're welcome.
No worries. We'll just run down the
Wait. Is he purple? No. This is Starlight Glimmer. Not Sunset Symbol. Oh, you're right.
school, get the key, and we're back in business.
But
School's closed. Like I said, school's closed.
come on.
Do it all. Without the key, there's no.
Oh, come on, closed, Lily. Oh, pulling awake. And Sally.
Like I said, school's closed for winter break. Well, this won't do it all. Without the key, there's no toys. And that means those adorable children at the Toys for Kids Festival are going to open empty boxes.
Oh yeah, like in 2020. In 2020. What? I heard it was a disaster. It was, and it was for crawling. Oh, stupid COVID!
That's worse than clothes.
Well then, what? Oh!
Excuse me.
Oh my gosh! We said the same thing! And we said the same thing! Oh, Melody. What? Clothes are good for the homeless. Yeah. And yeah, like warm socks. Yeah. And yeah. How can everybody forget? Well, I seen Hevel buying whole socks. And I seen, yeah, Valian buying his teddy bear and his stuff. And I saw using this Hobart buying his stuff. And that made me forget.
Not on my watch. I have a plan. The school doors might be locked.
What? Baking, huh? No, spy goggles. Again, sorry about that.
But the air vents aren't.
Oh, I forgot that. See, she said something in between. But the ovens aren't.
Hallway has a
But the ovens aren't.
Fortunately, the hallway has a motion sensor security system, which we'll have to hack into and disable. That's where Twilight comes in.
Oh, the node.
Once we're in, we'll need a distraction, so the janitor doesn't see us.
And the owl. And they got it.
I'll grab the key, and we're out.
Hey, it kind of looks like her cutie mark. Her keychain kind of looks like her cutie mark. If he was a pony, it's Sunset Symbol, even the pony. Well, she was on Equestria Girls, and some Equestria Girls Adventures. Oh yeah, that's right.
I'll grab the key, and we're out. Any questions?
A few. You do know that you're describing breaking and entering, right? Well, and Fluttershy is friends with animals, sure. She's not going to use them to attack our janitor.
Not attack exactly.
And finally, climbing through a vent is dangerous, and if a young person saw us doing it, they might try to imitate it and get hurt.
And I guess it's game over.
Except game not over, because check out my awesome plan! Here's what I'm thinking. First, we bake a dozen pistachio cream cupcakes.
Pistachio cream. Oh, pistachio cream.
Then, some outside Principal Celestia's office to lure her out.
Oh. Oh, Hevel makes great stuff. Yeah, from the box. Oh, yeah, because her cooking zoom's all oval. Yeah. Did I tell you CNC made wakas one time for Hanukkah? Yeah. And sugar cookies made from scratch. Oh, why couldn't I join years ago? Ooh. Yeah. She made them from scratch too. Oh, when was that? 3 years ago. Oh, where was I then? I don't know.
Once she's out, and while the door is still open, I'll use my licorice whip lasso to catch the door. Then, when we get the key. That's where these chocolate-covered crunch nuggets come in.
What are those for?
To eat, silly! After all this heisting, we're gonna be hungry.
Yeah.
Any questions? Actually, yeah. So how are we supposed to bake 2 dozen cupcakes before the Toys for Kids festival?
It means she doesn't know. It means that she doesn't know.
And I don't think a licorice lasso is a real thing.
Wow, check out whole notebook stickles. Oh, a vial and a DNA sample. The DNA logo. Nod.
I don't think a licorice lasso is a real thing.
Oops, sorry about that. We paused it for a minute. Yeah, we paused it for a second, and it started again.
And once again, this is trespassing. Come on, someone has to have a plan that's not a crime.
We got powers. I'm sick of not using our powers. I want to use our powers.
Oh yeah, from the past specials. Oh yeah, from the past specials and movies. Like Equestria Girls, Equestria Games, and Walk On. Yeah. On the Equestria Girls movies and specials. Yeah, and yeah. Oh. Wow.
You know what? Fine. Why don't you plan the heist?
She's sending a message, and she's stopping by and
Thanks again for letting us come and get Sunset's key, Principal Celestia.
Of course, Twilight. You know that all you had to do was knock.
Thank you.
and there we are. In a Toys for Kids festival.
That's the last gift. Now, who wants to go cash in some gift cards?
And you couldn't believe the ending. And you couldn't believe the ending.
Twilight, where's that bag I gave you?
I left it at school.
Oh no, there we go again. There we go again. Oh, I remembered how it ended.
But I got an idea.
But she's got an idea. And next time, let's not forget about that on the Valentine's Day season. Oh yeah, we won't. And we won't. And yeah, we won't. Deal, deal. Deal. And deal. Well, could we leave that to you for now on? Yeah, okay. So, King's Level, we got plenty of time until the end of the season. We got plenty of time to buy the stuff. Yep and yep. But is closed next Black Friday. Yeah and yeah. So try your best. Yeah, try your best and try your best. And everybody take their vows. Starting with Dwayne for directing and writing. And of course the Stabbington brothers for writing the script and for getting everything all under control. And who says I look like Zac Efron? Because I do look like Zac Efron. Wait, you do? And you do? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, from 1 and 3 of High School Musical. Oh yeah, on High School Musical 2, he had a haircut. But on High School Musical and High School Musical 3, senior year, he had his hair that way. Oh, heck yeah, he did. And I know a starring villain from High School Musical 3, senior year. Oh, your fiance, Tiara Gold. Oh, yes. And I did not see that coming until it was too late. You did not? Oh, Prince Hans betraying Anna. You did not? No. But using disagrees with me.